Just get rid of that jacket right now.
Ready to pop? 1, 2, 3, go! What about the new one?
Which one?
Turn around, do the one you just laid down. That one has all kinds to pop.
Okay, Mom. And then choose some other ones.
Bubble wrap heaven.
Gonna blow out. If we do this one more time, we're gonna whip this. We're gonna whip the lower. Hey, Mom, I'm gonna take my socks off, okay?
Okay.